Are you craving to eat Italian? Then great. You have just clicked on the right video to make pasta. Hi guys, once again welcome to my YouTube channel Grumbly Tummy. Today we're going to learn how to make Italian herb red pasta. So first take a pan and fill it 3/4 with drinking water. Then add 2 teaspoons of oil to it. And then add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now let's start on the sauce. Take an onion and chop it finely. You can use 1 big onion or 2 small ones. Now as you can see, the water has started boiling, so let's add the pasta. You can use any shape of pasta you want. I have used shell shape. Now the next step is to take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil to it. Then add the onions we chopped. And stir fry them until they're translucent. Now add 1 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder and a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. You can use any tomato puree. I am using store-bought tomato puree. Now when the pasta reaches al dente, strain it. Al dente basically means when the pasta is not too hard or too soft. Now add the tomato puree to the sauce and mix the sauce into onions. Now we can add corn, but if you're not a big fan of corn, you can skip this part. Now it's the time to add the spices. First parsley, basil, thyme, and last rosemary. Mix both of them. Now we can add the pasta. After adding the pasta, mix the sauce and the pasta well. Make sure there are no white pieces of pasta left. Now cover it and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes under medium flame. After 5 to 10 minutes, it looks like this. Now it's ready to serve. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and see you in the next video.